Hello friends, welcome back to Supermom's Talent. Once again, I have come with something very special today. I am today making a Rakhi and you just watch and follow me. It's very easy for children. Craft for children. So I have taken a star shape cardboard. I have cut it down. You can take any types of shape if you want. See this shape, you have this shape also, egg shape, and I have made others also with other shapes. Those are flower shape I made, so you can use any shape. This is the diamond shape. So today I'm going to show you the star shape Rakhi. I'm using first to cover my border with a red bright thread. So I'm putting Fevicol here, all the sides, and I'm going to stick my thread. You can stick with bindi, you can use any type, but I am showing you, you can also use this part this way to finish your craft. So look, so it's just very easy. You have to keep it on the ground and just stick it. I have stuck the thread. Children, if you cannot stick the thread, you can use something else also. You see, ma'am has used buttons also, big buttons. You can use bindis. See, you can use bindis also. So I am showing you with the thread. If you want, you can do it with thread or you can skip it out. So now I'm going to use some other decoration for it. So now just see this, I'm using shells. See, so I'm using shells. I'm going to just put some Fevicol here at the edge here, and I'm going to stick it. I'm going to stick it here. I'm going to take another shell. I'm going to put the Fevicol here at the edge. And I'm going to stick it here. So you can stick this like this. Children, if you can use any decorative things if you want. I am showing you this is a simple way where you can also copy my and you can use your other decoration also. So now I am going to use small decorative things. Now I am putting all these. See this thermocol balls? I've got all colorful balls. I'm using this also to just stick it, and I'm making it very simple for you to just finish it within the time. So I'm going to just put Fevicol here little bit, and I'm going to just paste it here. See, Fevicol little bit here. I'm going to yes. See the way I decorated, and now I will turn this and I will stick the ribbon. I will put Fevicol here. And I will stick the ribbon. I will stick the ribbon. And then I'll pick another piece of cardboard like this, and I will cut it. I will put again Fevicol here to make it little strong. I need to paste on top of the ribbon. I'm putting it on top of the ribbon. It will be very strong. See this now. You can see this. Now I'm going to tie it on the hand. Yes. See, it's looking so nice. This is handmade Rakhi. You can use any type of designs to make. As I had made this. See, a diamond shape, and I have stuck green ribbon, and I have also used a shape of a flower, and also I have used buttons and sequins and flowers. So I have made 3 types of Rakhis. You'll please enjoy watching this and do make these crafts in your house. Do like my channel Super Mom's Talent. Do subscribe my channel Super Mom's Talent and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.